Hey Queens, this is Kanisha and I am back with another video. In this video, I will be doing a planner spread for my mini happy planner. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alright guys, let's jump into this video. I will be using a dashboard layout for my spread for this week, and this is my catch-all planner that I use. And I kind of wanted to stay on a Valentine's Day theme, but not exactly Valentine's Day, but the love theme. And I'll be using these stickers that I printed out for this week's theme. My plan was to have the entire month of February just on a love theme because I just wanted to try something new instead of doing, different themes for the month. I just kind of wanted to keep it on this, and I have one more week to come up with as far as this love theme. And here I am really digging these girls here. And I'm just going to go with the taller one. Because I think she's just very, very gorgeous. So we're going to place it right here. And kind of one of my favorite spots when I am doing my mini happy planner. I like to see my stickers here in the corner. If I'm using a girl or any kind of sticker, I like to put them here in the corner. So here I'm trying to decide if I want to leave her here because I had a lot of her hair hanging off the edge. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick the sticker back up and just kind of readjust to kind of have her hair on the paper instead of having to cut her hair off. And we're just readjusting here and replacing the sticker how I want it. And y'all know I have to keep everything extremely straight. But I do want to take the time and tell you guys thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you are new, I hope that you decide to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload content. If you are a returning subscriber or watcher, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate all of your support. So let's jump back into this video. I am just trying to see what I want to use, and I'm just going to pull the stickers off that I want to use and place them on my wax paper. And I'm just going to pull off a few just so I can know what I really want to do. And here I am pulling off this sticker. It says wine and chocolate season. I think it went perfect with her because she's such a chocolate girl. She's such a chocolate girl. I didn't have any chocolate candy for this spread, and that would have went perfect if I did, but I just didn't. But I'm just gonna roll with my little chocolate girl over here, but she's a beauty though. And then here I just went ahead and pulled off a box to see where I actually want to put this box, and I like to do different places for my boxes. I like to kind of explore and just try new things with my boxes. And I forgot to white out my the wording that's on here, so I'm just gonna do that real quick and white everything out. That way nothing comes through the stickers or is showing anything extra. So this week that I'm doing is the week after Valentine's. So I'm not going to go like on a full-blown Valentine's Day theme. But it's going to be very, very close if you have not kind of noticed from the pictures, which I know that you really have. It's the colors of, I guess, close to Valentine's Day, but not quite. So I just wanted to keep it on this theme just to see how creative I can be. And here I am going to place my box here because I use this box for my word of the week. I give myself a word of the week every week just to kind of go by. And then I pulled off this box here, and I'm just trying to see where I want to put it. And I kind of want to do something different. And since that box is up so high, I don't want to put it up across there. But I decided to go in this caddy corner here, and I just decided to slant it. And I like it there, but I know I also need an extra box there. I need something to put in this space up here. So then I made up my mind to go ahead and put down my wine in my wine glass. And I really love this sticker set. I think that I'm going to do this for my creative journal as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to record it just because it's the same sticker set. I may record it just so I can see what different I can do and or how different it'll look on a different layout, because my creative journal is a horizontal layout, so I may just use the same sticker set just to see how different it'll look like. And it's a classic size, so I'll be able to put more stickers on it and be a little bit more creative. So I like to put my boxes on my Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just kind of stagger it, so I won't have too many boxes on one side. And I love my boxes, and most of my weeks are like this in my mini happy planner. I like to put my boxes on those days. I'm not sure why, but I just like, and I think it's because I have that box up there for my for the word of the week, and I don't want to have too many boxes, just stacked beside each other. So I kind of do my layout the same as far as how I'm placing my stickers. And that may be something that I need to do, try to explore something different and see what I can come up with. So I really like this little coffee cup with this balloon coming out of it, and it's like I want to place it here, but I don't want to place it directly on top of her head. I think that would kind of look a little bit crazy, but if I would have put the box over a little bit more over to the left, I think that would have worked a little bit better. But I did take that smaller cupcake off and put it on the other side because it looked better than that bigger cupcake, and I just replaced the bigger cupcake over on the box. And then I took my slice of cake and my donut and just put it off the edge of the paper just to give that side a little bit. And then we cut the extra off, and then I'm just going to take the extra that I cut off from that side and then put it on the inner side and just kind of stagger it, just to give it a little more coverage for the paper. And I keep it very simple. I don't go overboard for my mini happy planner. I know I see some videos when, certain people that has the mini happy planner and everything is like covered. I actually use a lot of this. Like, this is my catch-all, so I make sure I leave a lot of space just for things that may pop up that I need to write down or get done, because not all the time that I have everything that needs to be done. Like, on some days I may wake up and be like, hey, I need to do this, and I just write it in for the day just to kind of keep up with it. I know it's kind of good to have your whole week planned. Some days I have my whole week planned. Some weeks I have my whole week planned, and I go and get everything done. But sometimes I just like, okay, if I forget to do something the day before, or if I didn't get to something the day before, I'll just kind of plan it in another day. So it'll leave me a little extra room to write. And y'all know I love to write, though. So y'all don't judge me on this one. I wanted to put those lips on my spread so bad because they are so cute. So I just kind of popped them up here and it looks like really crazy. So my thought process was to just put them there and then have that to do kind of coming out the bottom of the lip to see what it was gonna look like, or and I didn't like it. It was just like just doing too much. Those lips was kind of like too big, and I was like, "No, let me take this off," because I tried to put that to do right there in the corner to try to calm the lips down, but they were just actually too big for this layout. So I just took them off and then put my to do back on here. But I was really digging it, and that's kind of why I want to use this same sticker set for my creative journaling to see, so I can add more stickers on. And then so I just put my to do here, and then I'm just going to take some of the hearts and put them here and cover up those squares just to give it a little bit more color over here. And I wanted to put that color over here because I had that box over there and this color, and then I realized that the girl has on the same color as these hearts, and then I was like, hey, oh well, I already started it, so we're just gonna finish putting those hearts up for my to-do list. So I haven't asked y'all, how have y'all been? Um, I hope everybody has been doing okay. I am just doing just lovely around here these days. I hope everybody's doing well. And then here I am. I just have to put another box on here. And then I was like, wait, I pulled off the same box with the same color. And I pulled off this top box, and I just should have left it there because I think it gave it a little bit more, it gave it a little bit more off to the spray, and I should have just kind of left it there. But I went ahead and pulled it off, and then I pulled out my little mini sticker book for my fonts, and I'm just gonna go through here and see what I want to actually place on here because I have to have words on my spreads. Since I started adding them, y'all, it's just a must that I have my words in here. I just went ahead and pulled out my word of the week, and I'm gonna put it to the side here because I have those sunglasses up top. So, and I think it was kind of cute. Just turning it to the side. Um, And then we're just going to go through and put wording on my other side and see what I want to do. And I like to put my in the news because I want to put down what is going on either in the world or in my life. What's big going on. I'm going to always put it there every week, and I normally don't fill that out until the end of the week because I want to put whatever is the juiciest for me for that week. So yeah, I normally do that on like a Friday or a Saturday. I'll put down, just like when we had those the plane crash, I'll put that down there. It's like just some kind of event that's really just going on in the world that is like, oh wow, what's going on, or if it's something in like the Super Bowl. When the Super Bowl came around, it was like for that week I did put down that I did it that Sunday. I didn't wait till the end of the week. I did put down a score and the halftime show and all of that. So I did put that in the news because the halftime show was kind of, the big highlight for the news. The game didn't so much get a lot of feedback that I heard of, but it was just the halftime show with Kendrick Lamar did. A lot of people didn't like it. A lot of people did. So I just kind of wrote that down for the in the news. So here I am. I just went on to pull out some of my black dots that I printed just to go here, just to give it a little bit because I like to put something in each box for every day. So we're just going to go with the black dots here. And then for Saturday, I decided to go with the pink dots, and I kind of was like, hey, there was too much pink over there, but I really should have left those. I really wish I would have left those, but I had went back and put those as the black ones here. And once I thought about it, I really could have used that pink there, and it would have just worked just fine. And I could have just took, I really wish I would have left the black dots and put those on other days and use the burgundy color up there on Monday. And that's what I should have done, but I just went with it. But one thing I'm thinking that I want to do like some squares. I have hearts and I have circles. And I like to draw the squares on there, but just to have something different, I think I want to add different shapes to put on my planner spread. Okay, so now I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put this cup, because I just need this cup on my spread. So we're just going to go right here in this little corner. We're going to just catty corner it a little bit. When I say I just love using wax paper, y'all, it just changed the game for me, because I be so wanting to do one thing and then doing another, but to put it on that wax paper and to see where I actually want to put it, and if it looks right to me and I can just go for it once I take it off, it's just great. And then I'm also putting down stickers and picking them up all the time, so it's like I can just put it back on that paper if I'm not going to use it, or if I decide to put it somewhere else. Because I used to just stick it on my hand all the time and just try to go with it. But yeah, and I'm kind of digging this spread. So far, I don't want to do too much, so I'm just going to kind of stop right here. And I'm going back through here to trying to see if I can find some hearts that I want to put in the space up under the cup, because it does have a little opening there, because I want to kind of fill it up as much as I can on this side, especially if I can't write. And I just want to look for more stickers if I have anything, but I end up not having any other extra stickers that I could put there, but I'm just still looking, putting out all of my sticker books and all that good stuff. If you have not seen the video for this sticker book, I will put it up at the top, and that way you guys can go check out and see how I make my sticker storage. And you can use this book with any stickers that you might have, that if the books that they came in, if they're broken or some of the pages are out, you can just make your sticker storage and just keep up with everything right there. If you have that hole punch from Happy Planner, the discbound hole punch, you can just do that and utilize it, and that way you have everything in one space. And I really love it. So if you are interested in creating something like that on your own, you can go check out that video, and I will be putting them up on my Etsy store very, very soon, because I have been getting inboxes on Etsy, people messaging me and wanting those covers. So that is something that I will be working on in the next few days, of getting those covers uploaded. All right, so I just pulled out so I can draw my squares in the boxes left. That way every day has something on it, some kind of decoration on it. So guys, let me know down in the comments what you think of this spread. Let me know if you like it. Even if you dislike it, let me know. I am fine with that. Here we are putting everything in my mini Happy Planner just to see how it will look, and I'm really loving the way it look. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button and leaving me a comment and let me know what you think. And here I am just still trying to put something on here, but you guys know I want you to be blessed, Queenies. Bye.